The question name is Concatenated Words. So, given an array of strings words without duplicates, return all the concatenated words in the given list of words. A concatenated word is defined as a string that is comprised entirely. You have to just read this word again. Comprised entirely of at least two shorter words in the given array. So we have given a array of words, array of strings, that is words. So we have to, in answer we have to return the strings which can be concatenated with some shorter strings which can entirely concatenated with some shorter strings which are present in that words, in that array. So for example, can cat be an answer? No, it can't, because C is not present. Okay. C or AT is not present. Okay. CA and T is not present. Okay. So we have to just we have to we have to divide this string, divide any string, divide this string in some substrings, so that those substrings already should present in that array words. Then we can return it an answer. Okay. Now cats we can split in two parts. One is cat and another is s. Okay. Cat we can split in two parts. One is cat and another is s. Okay. So it is right. Cat we have in our words. Okay, this is present, but s is not present. What they have said? They have said we can we have to comprised entirely. Okay, so we can't say that okay cat is present, we can say okay this can be made with this can be made some with the help of cat. No, we have to split, we have to make entire string. So cat is present, okay, but s should also be present in this words. Then we can say okay this is this we can include in our answer. But now this can't, because s is not present. Now cats dog cats can be, can we include this in our answer? I think yes. Why? Because we can split it in cats, dog and cats. You can see cats is here, dog is here, and cats is here. So we have completely splitted it in some shorter strings. Okay. And we can concatenate cats, dog and cats. Then we can make entire 0 1 2 this second index string we can make. So we can return it in our answer. This dog can be concatenate it with some other strings. No, I don't think, because here d is not present, do is not present. No, so we can't. Now this we can split. Okay, we can split in dog, cats and dog. So this we can include it in our answer. This hippopotamus, no, we can't, because hip hippo, nothing is present. Okay, not. So rat is not. Rat, cat, dog, cat. Can we? Yeah. Why? Rat is present, cat is present, dog is present, cat is present. With the help of these four strings, we can concatenate these four strings and we can make this string. So in our answer array, this three strings we can return. Yes, I'm right. So this three we can return in our answer. Now how we can solve this question? What do you think? Firstly, we will take a unordered map. Okay, I will store all these strings in that map. Then I will search for every string. I will search for every string. Let's say I have this cat's dog cat. These are small examples. So I'm just having cats, dog and cats. Okay. First, what I have done, I have just simply stored all the strings in our answer in our unordered map. Then I will just iterate all the strings. Let's say I am at the second index. I am just taking the second index. What I will do, I will make a function. I will make a function. Then I will see all the possible substrings. What I am doing, I will say first, okay, C is a substring and C is a substring and this ATSTOGCATS is another substring. Is C is present? Is C present in our unordered map? No. They will say no. Okay. Now come at next index. Okay. Now substring is CA. Now substring is CA. One substring is CA and another substring is TSDOGCATS. Now I will again ask, is CA present in our unordered map? No, it is not present. Okay, I will say okay, come at T, come at T, make a substring of make a substring of 0 to T. Now cat and SDOGCATS. Okay, is cat present in our unordered map? Yes, cat is present. Okay. Now I will say cat is present. They will say cat is present. Is SDOGCATS present? They'll say no, it is not present. It is not present there. Then I'll say okay, come at next index. Is cats present there? Yes, cat is present. Cat is present. Okay, cat is present. I'll say I'll ask cats is present. I'll ask DOGCATS is present. They'll say no, it is not present. If this substring I will when I found some, I will split the string in two parts. One is prefix, another one is suffix. Now if I found some prefix, cat I have found, cat I found, no, so I will make this suffix part I will ask for suffix. Is suffix is present? If suffix is present and prefix I have found, and I will ask if suffix is present, then I'll say okay, hold the substring I have found it, then include it in our answer. If suffix is not present, then I will again I will again recursively send this string and I'll say okay, you just start you just start again, break it, start breaking it again in parts, and again start finding that is this substring is present or not, this substring is present or not, this substring is present or not. So I have found the cat. Okay, now I will ask for this SDOGCATS. I will ask for this SDOGCATS. Then I will again start I will again start iterating. I'll say S is present, they say no. I'll say okay, SD is present, they say no. SDO is present, no. SDOG present, no. SDOG C present, no. SDOGCA present, no. SDOGCAT present, no. SDOGCATS is present, no. They say no, this will return false. Okay, this will return false now. I was at cat, I have found it cat, then I have stated this part, this part is returned false. Okay, now recursively I have to go, I have to treat again now, I have to go at next index because I have found it, I have found cat. Then I was just finding this part return true, this part return false, this part return true. Overall it is false. Overall it is false. Then recursively, I will just now iterate in this as. I will just make this cats as prefix. Now I will make cats as prefix. Now I will say is cats present in our map? Okay, yes it is present, it is present. Prefix I have found. Now what I am doing, I'll say okay, suffix go yeah. Now I will say just start finding suffix in the unordered map. So I will I will again call the function with our new string. Now I'm starting. Is D present? No. Is Do present? No. Is Dog present? Yes. Dog I have found. One prefix, another one prefix I have found it. I have found. No. Another this Dog I have found. Now I will say okay, you call the function again and found this suffix. If it is present, then okay. If it is not present, then again call the function with this suffix as a new string, so now I am searching, is cats present? Yes, it is present. If it is not present, then what I'll say call the function again and send this suffix as a new string, and start searching there from zero index, from one, from two. Start searching. Okay, start making substrings of this string, and find it in the map. So simply what I am doing, I am just taking this red, sorry for this bad handwriting, this red cat. So what I am doing, I'm simply dividing it into substrings, and if at any index, at any index I'll found some prefix I'll found, then I'll say okay, now search for this suffix. So I have solved this question with the help of an ordered map and recursion. You can see the code is very easy. As I said, I have taken an ordered map, string and int, and initially I'm storing all the strings which are present in words in the array. I am storing them in our unordered map. Then I'm taking a vector of strings of answer. Then I'm saying okay, you start calling the function for every string you call the function. If that if this function will return true for any string, if this function will return true, then push it in our answer. So the what is this function is doing? The function is recursively making substrings. You can see, I have from here I have just giving I have given it to I have given a string. I am sending a string. Now what I am doing here, I am treating from I equal to 1 and uh, till its size. So I'm making a prefix from 0 to I'm making a prefix, and from I to end I'm making a suffix. Now what I have done, if suffix is present if suffix is present if prefix is present in our map, and suffix is present, or I can call the function again with our suffix, just like here. If I have found this cat, I have found this cat, am I right? But suffix is not present. Suffix is present? No, it is not present. So what I have done, I have said okay, call the function again with suffix as a new string. Am I right? Then it reached at end, and am I right? It reached at end, but it haven't found this suffix. It haven't found the suffix, so it returned false. Then I said okay, you continue. It continued, then it make gets this prefix also I have found, then I say okay, search for this suffix. Is this suffix present? They have said no. Okay, then I said okay, call the function again with this suffix as a new string. You start call the function and send this suffix as a new string and start iterating, and again start iterating, and concat and divide it in some other substrings. So that only I am doing. What I am doing, if some strings prefix I found, then I am saying if it is not true, then it will not go into the loop. It will continue to run the for loop. If I have found the prefix, then it will call the, then it will check for suffix. If suffix I found, then it will not call the function, it will not call. If suffix I don't found the suffix, then it will call the function, then it will call the function and send suffix as a string, as a string. Then it will continue to, it will recursively find the substring of that string. And if both this prefix I found and suffix I found, then if both the part will return true, then it will return true. If it is not, then it will return false. And if this function is returning true, then I'll say okay, include this string in our answer. And finally I'm returning the answer. You can submit the code. I think my net is very slow. Yes, it is submitted successfully.